Two of the following videos are true while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Round 3, let's begin. If you place a ping pong ball inside a cardboard paper towel roll, leaving a small air gap at the bottom, you can aim a hairdryer up towards the top of the roll like this, and when you turn the hairdryer on, the ping pong ball will fly out. If you measure out the maximum amount of salt you can dissolve in a given container of distilled water, the water level initially appears to rise when you add the salt, because the salt hasn't had time to dissolve. However, salt water is significantly more dense than pure water, so over the next 8 hours, stirring occasionally, the salt water level will actually be lower than the originally marked level of pure water only. If you take a Lazy Susan and a sealed clear tube of water that has an air bubble in it and tape this tube to the center of the Lazy Susan, when you spin it, the air bubble will move to the center. You've seen all 3 videos now, pause to vote in the comments which one you thought was fake. Aiming a hairdryer like this at a cardboard paper towel roll with a ping pong ball in it does cause the ping pong ball to fly out. Spinning this clear tube with an air bubble does cause the air bubble to move to the center. This is similar to how a helium balloon moves forward in a car when you accelerate, like you saw last season. The heavier water moves towards the outsides of the tube, which pushes the bubble to the center. Although salt water is more dense than distilled water, it would be incorrect to conclude that adding salt to water lowers the water level. You aren't comparing equal masses of each. When the salt is initially added, the water level goes up by the volume of solid salt. Then, as the salt dissolves, the water level does lower, but the final fully dissolved level would still be higher than that of the original of only distilled water.